I'm Welder Crystal. Today I'm going to weld this stainless steel straight pipe and this stainless steel joint. Our goal is to make them double molding. Okay, let's go. So I need to use different fixture to weld them. Okay, first we install the fixture on the part. Then we need to align the constant needle to the weld seam. Next we input the parameters. This diameter is and we fill the argon gas into the pipe. And this side we need a close and dig a hole and start the gas switch. Okay, start the machine. You can from here to see the internal working and this machine method, welding method, no need to add welding wire. And if you want to add welding wire, we also have other machine. Okay, let's see the welding effect. It's very beautiful and flat, right?